In today's video, I'll show you how to create an automatic download link in Paperform so users can instantly receive a file right after submitting your form. This works perfectly for PDFs, guides, checklists, or any digital resource. First, upload your file to a place that provides a direct URL. This can be cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox, or even your own server. The key thing to check here is permissions. Make sure the file is set so anyone with the link can view or download it. Always test the link once before moving ahead. Now open the form you want to use in Paperform and go into the After Submission settings. This section controls what happens once someone submits the form. From here, open the Success Page settings. On the Success page, add a clear download message and insert a clickable link using the file URL you prepared earlier. Use simple text like "click here to download your file" or "download your resource now" so users immediately know what to do. This keeps the experience smooth and avoids confusion. Once the link is added, preview the form to make sure the success page looks clean and the download link works correctly. When everything checks out, save your changes. That's it. You've now set up an automatic download link in Paperform, allowing users to access your content instantly after submission. This small setup can make a big difference in user experience and engagement.